bot could actually think like a Wall Street analyst. Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow simple rules but understands context, sentiment, and reasoning, and then executes trades automatically for you. That's exactly what people are saying about GPT-5 combined with 3Commas, one of the most popular crypto and stock trading bot platforms. But here's the catch. Most traders don't know how to connect these two powerful tools properly, and they end up missing out on the real edge. Stick with me until the end of this video, because I'll not only show you how GPT-5 and 3Commas can work together, but also share a special tip that could boost your bot's accuracy dramatically. Trust me, you'll want that before risking any money. Welcome to TechMoneyAI, where we help you invest better with the power of AI. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website TechMoneyAI.com. Why GPT-5 is a game changer. So, let's start with GPT-5. Why is everyone talking about it? GPT-5 is the latest large language model from OpenAI, and unlike older models, it features enhanced reasoning capabilities, wider context windows, and improved integration with external systems. In plain English, this means GPT-5 can do more than spit out text. It can actually process complex data, analyze financial reports, summarize news, and generate structured outputs like trading signals. For traders, this is a game changer. Think about how trading bots worked before. They were mostly rule-based. If the price goes above a moving average, buy. If it goes below, sell. Simple, but limited. With GPT-5, you're adding contextual intelligence. For example, GPT-5 can read breaking news and determine if it's bullish or bearish. It can analyze social media sentiment, earnings reports, and even macroeconomic data. It can then turn that analysis into a trading signal. So instead of a bot blindly following a line on a chart, GPT-5 brings something closer to human-like reasoning into the mix. Of course, it's not perfect. We'll cover risks later, but as a tool to generate smarter signals, GPT-5 is already miles ahead of traditional bots. What 3Commas offers in 2025. Now let's talk about 3Commas. If you're new, 3Commas is one of the most widely used platforms for crypto and stock trading automation. It connects to over 20 major exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin, and more. The beauty of 3Commas is that it gives you different types of bots. DCA bots, dollar cost averaging. Great for smoothing out volatility. Grid bots. Perfect for sideways markets, buying low and selling high within ranges. Smart Trade Terminal. Lets you set advanced orders like multi-target take profit, trailing stop loss, and automatic portfolio balancing. In other words, 3Commas takes care of execution. It's reliable, fast, and customizable. But here's the limitation. These bots are still based on predefined rules. You set the strategy, and the bot executes it. That's where GPT-5 comes in. By combining GPT-5's reasoning power with 3Commas automation, you can move beyond simple rules and create bots that react to context, data, and even human sentiment. That's what makes this integration so powerful. How GPT-5 and 3Commas work together. So, how do you actually connect GPT-5 with 3Commas? Here's the workflow. 1. Data ingestion. GPT-5 collects or is fed data, market news, social sentiment, and chart analysis. 2. Signal generation. GPT-5 processes this data and outputs a structured trading signal, like buy Bitcoin at $27,500 with a stop loss at $26,900. 3. Signal delivery. The signal is sent to TradingView, where you set up alerts. 4. Execution. TradingView sends a webhook alert directly to 3Commas. 5. Trade. 3Commas bot executes the trade automatically under exchange. In practice, it looks like this. GPT-5 becomes your analyst, TradingView is the messenger, and 3Commas is the executor. Here's a simple example. GPT-5 analyzes that Bitcoin is gaining bullish sentiment after a big ETF approval. It generates a signal: buy BTC at $30,200, stop loss at $29,500, take profit at $31,800. TradingView captures that signal and pushes it to 3Commas. Your bot executes instantly, no emotion, no hesitation. This is the future of AI-assisted trading. Demo setup walkthrough. Let's walk through the setup step by step. Step 1. Get GPT-5 API access. You'll need an OpenAI API key, which you can get from your account dashboard. Step 2. Create a strategy prompt. For example, analyze Bitcoin using the last 24 hours of news, sentiment data, and technical charts. Output a signal in JSON format with buy, sell, entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. Step 3. Connect to TradingView. TradingView allows you to set alerts. You can configure an alert to trigger whenever GPT-5 generates a new signal. Step 4. Send to 3Commas. TradingView supports webhooks, basically, messages sent automatically to 3Commas bots. You copy the webhook URL from 3Commas and paste it into TradingView. Step 5. Run in demo mode first. Never risk real money immediately. Test it in 3Commas paper trading mode to see how it performs. This setup ensures that GPT-5 thinks, while 3Commas does the execution. Mistakes and risks. Now, before you get too excited, let's cover the risks. Mistake 1. Blindly trusting GPT-5. Just because the AI explains itself doesn't mean it's always correct. It can hallucinate or miss context. Mistake 2. No backtesting. If you don't test your GPT-5 strategy on historical data, you're flying blind. Always backtest first. Mistake 3. Ignoring risk management. Even with AI, you still need stop losses, take profit rules, and position sizing. Never risk more than you can lose. Mistake 4. Letting bots run unsupervised. Always check in daily. Markets can move fast, and AI can't predict black swan events. Mistake 5. Security. Protect your API keys and accounts. Never give GPT-5 or 3Commas unnecessary permissions. Special tip. As promised, here's the special tip. If you want to boost your GPT-5 plus 3Commas bot accuracy, integrate sentiment data from platforms like StockTwits, Lunar Crush, or Twitter APIs. Why? Because markets often move on emotion, not logic. GPT-5 can read the sentiment, process the hype, and adjust trading decisions accordingly. This extra layer can improve your bot's accuracy significantly. So to recap, GPT-5 adds reasoning and context to your trading. 3Commas handles reliable automation and execution. Together, they create a smarter trading bot, as long as you use them wisely. Don't forget, test before you risk real money, always use risk management, and keep human oversight in place. If you found this valuable, Make sure to subscribe to TechMoneyAI for more weekly breakdowns on AI, trading bots, and smarter investing. And remember to visit TechMoneyAI.com to grab your AI Trading Starter Toolkit for just $9.99. It's the perfect way to start building your AI-powered trading edge. This is TechMoneyAI, where we help you invest better with the power of AI.